I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WP Funnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WP Funnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on three dots in the top right corner. Then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select an action AutomatorWP. Give here a webhook URL, so go to the AutomatorWP dashboard. Add new automation. Choose automation type anonymous. Confirm. Choose webhooks as a trigger. Received data from webhook. Copy the webhook URL and click on the Get Sample to fetch the URL. Then go back to your integration site and paste it. Body. Send all data. Choose Request Payload Application/JSON. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your requirement. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Next. Finish and save it. Go to your AutomatorWP site and here you can see that the data fetched successfully. Save it. I want to add a new user to my WordPress site by clicking on Add New User. Now map the respective fields. Save it. Save the automation and active it. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now go to the users. And here, you can see that the new user has been created successfully. Thanks for watching.